Hi there! Today we are here in lovely city of Tbilisi, and as a local guide I would like to share 5 money-saving tips for your upcoming visit. So stay tuned and learn more! Public transport costs only 1 Georgian lari in Tbilisi, and you can pay transportation cost with any international card, but if you decide to pay with city transport card called Metroman, you will be able to get 90 minutes time in all our public transports to use. You can find that Metroman card is available to be taken at any metro station office, as well as entrance to the cable car to Narikala Fortress. The cost of the card is only 2 Georgian lari. Food is not expensive in Georgia, but if you still decide to save a little more, you can always consider street food as the cheapest alternative. I hope you remember that street food prices in Tbilisi start from only $1, and keep in mind that some supermarkets also offer discounted ready-made food at evening hours. The cheapest way to get to the city center from Tbilisi Airport is using airport bus. Keep in mind that airport buses, they have their own regular schedules, and at night hours, at midnight, they don't operate. You will notice quite many taxi drivers after arrival to Tbilisi Airport who will suggest their service. But my tip is to use Bolt. That is the cheapest way to get to the city. Sukhur buses are visit cards of Tbilisi. The majority of the Sukhur buses are located in old city areas that is very touristic. The cheapest option of having Sukhur bus experience, what you can get in old city, is using public bus houses, where the prices start about 10 Georgian lari. But this Sukhur bus house is located in very local, non-touristic neighborhoods of Tbilisi, where you can get the private cabin for 2 persons from 50 Georgian lari. My extra tip here would be to bring your own towels and slippers to save a little more on this, because everything is available but with extra charge. Visiting bazaars in Tbilisi does not require any fee. It's totally free to explore the area of the bazaars, their productions, and if you are lucky enough, you can get some free tastings by hospitable locals. And at last, one bonus tip from me. It's totally free to play, cuddle, and feed stray animals during your walks in Tbilisi. They are very friendly and never protest some extra piece of food for their accompaniment during your walks in the city. Well, I hope you find this video helpful with its money-saving tips during your stay in Tbilisi, Georgia. Make sure to subscribe our channel to stay updated with upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye!